দ্বৈত গদাধর শিবসাদী গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ. Raise your hand, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra with fixing your mind towards Radha Krishna's lotus feet. With such fix your mind towards Radha Krishna's lotus feet. Radha Krishna's beautiful form, and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra with me as loud as possible. 3 times. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Guru Ram. All glories to His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. All glories to His Divine Grace Paramahansa Kula Chudamani Thakur Srila Gaur Kishora Das Babati Goswami Maharaj. All glories to His Divine Grace Satchidananda Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All glories to His Divine Grace Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Sri Srila Jagannath Das Babati Goswami Maharaj. All glories to all the members of our parampara, headed by His Divine Grace Srila Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Sadhak Muni Maharaj, Bhakti Chakar and Nrsimha Maharaj. All glories to the assembled devotees here. So today is Sunday. Looks like Sunday feast. Feast means eating, right? Right? So now Harikatha. Harikatha, this is not eating, right? It is actual eating. কানের ভিতরে দিয়া মরমে পশিল গো আকুল করিল প্রাণ. Through the ear, moram is to touch our heart and make our life become peaceful, blissful. Which food is more important? What our life become peaceful, blissful, that food important, or tongue satisfied and stomach satisfied? What is most important? Vasudha, what is most important? Heart. So, but look, we are not interesting. We have no interest to make our heart peaceful, blissful. Therefore, always we are trying to find out tongue satisfaction. Tongue. Right? Not only here, Don't think that all this is Austria, this is the only problem. Even you can go to Vrindavan, same problem. Mayapur, same problem. What problem? During the time of Harikatha, Harinam, maybe 50, 100, maybe 200. But time of the prasadam, tongue satisfaction, it appeared 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people. Day by day, our interest for spiritual progress is degrading. We cannot ignore it. Symbolic manner we are increasing. But reality, if you look, decreasing. Why I am telling so? If we are really interested about our heart, peaceful, then we should be interested how to encourage ourselves to be in spiritual life more profound way. Only one solution. Sadhu Sange Krishna Naam Ei Matra Jai. Samsar jinite ar kono vastu nai. Sadhu's association. With Sadhu's association, chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. That is the only medication. The only medication. What? Samsar jinityar kono vastunai. Samsar means attachment. What attachment? Material attachment, which is the cause of our suffering. How much we have the material attachment, that much people are suffering. Material things like a tree. From the top to bottom, full of thorn. Right? Material, samsara, material attachment. Samsara is like a tree full of thorn, bottom to top, or top to bottom, whatever. If someone asking you to look after the tree, what you will do? In order to respect the duty or follow the instruction, we can do maximum things of dig surrounding the tree and put water, that much, right? But if you embrace the tree, what is going to happen? Comfortable or painful? So embracing each one attachment. Embracing attachment. But in the material world, we can do the duty. Whatever we have duty towards parents, towards wife, towards husband, towards neighbor, relatives, we can do it. Without attachment, without embracing. Why? Because it is instructed by Lord Chaitanya to Raghunath Das Goswami. Here is Sadhu, no Sadhu. Sadhu sitting here. You can ask. Raghunath Das Goswami belongs to a royal family. And he has, since the childhood, he has desired to get renowned order, but only one son. In the entire family, only one son is there. Parents keeping him like this way. Don't allow him to go any places in order to keep him in the family life. arrange one beautiful wife, but still his mind goes to be renounced. How to get renounced? We know renounce order. If you want to get, then you have to get blessings from renounced person. Higher. So Lord Chaitanya came Santipur. At that time, Raghunath Das Goswami have eagerness to meet with Lord Chaitanya. His family is sent with so many guards. He should not be just quit his family. He always be in family. He can perform his practice from home. There's no harm. But Raghunath Das Goswami is not ordinary person. He is Roti Manjari. In spiritual abode, he is Roti Manjari. He is not coming here to just to make a family and maintain family life and look after their royal duties in his family. He is not like this. He is the perfect example of renounced order. So Raghunath Das Goswami, once he came from his family, Adi Saptogam, and came to Shantipur, met with Lord Chaitanya and proposed, Prabhu, I want to get renounced order as like you. You know, when I was reading in class 8th grade, how old I am? Maybe 13 plus. I also came to Chaitanya Gaurimat Calcutta. And then I proposed to my spiritual master, I want to be like you. This is not my temple. First of all, this is not my temple. I can keep you here. And then I can give you also, I cannot give you initiation here. And also top of that, I am not giving initiation. All discouraging one. Then he says, it's too small. Back home. But Lord Chaitanya telling different way. Lord Chaitanya says, reason if Lord Chaitanya declined Raghunath Das Goswami's proposal, because Raghunath Das Goswami not yet get the mercy of Lord Nityananda. Lord Nityananda, without Lord Nityananda's mercy, it is impossible. It is impossible to get Lord Chaitanya's mercy. So, Lord Chaitanya replied such way that स्थिर हो, घरे जाओ, नहाओ बातुल, क्रमे क्रमे पाए लो भवो सिंधुकूल। मरकट वैराग्य नाकर लग देखाइया, यथा यज्ञ विषय भुंज अनासक्त हइया। अंतर निष्ठा करो, বাহ্যে লোক ব্যবহার, অচিরাত কৃষ্ণ তোমায় করিবেন উদ্ধার। Chaitanya can say, okay, very good, you are here, you are coming from royal family, it is our privilege for my mission. If you join to my mission, loving mission, many people can feel attraction. to join us, right? Instead of that, Lord Chaitanya replied, Sthir ho, fix your mind, ghare jao, back home. And then, Naho Batul, don't be naughty. Don't be naughty. Why naughty? This word. Because you are not yet get the mercy of Lord Nityananda. Without Lord Nityananda's mercy, no one can get my mercy. Although Raghunath Das Goswami is Guru Jadunandan Acharya, but without mercy of Lord Nityananda, Chaitanya's mercy, forget about it. নিতায়েরও করুণা হবে ব্রজে রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাবে ধর নিতায়ের চরণ দুখানি নিতায়ের চরণ দুখানি. As soon as we have Lord Nityananda's mercy, then we are eligible to get Radha Krishna service in Vrindavan. Therefore, we have to hold Lord Nityananda's mercy. So, therefore, also Lord Chaitanya used this word. Naha Batul, don't be naughty, back home. Don't be naughty, fix your mind. And please keep in your mind that Krome paye log bhavo sindhukur. Gradually, you have to follow the process, gradual process. First surrender to whom? First surrender to Nityananda. Nityananda is sent. His representative, Guru. And then accept the Guru. Take surrender of Guru. Who is Guru? If someone asking, who is Guru? Our answer could be like this. Who is initiating us? What is the qualification of Guru? Kripa Sindhu Susamparana Sarvasatto Prakarakam Nispriho Sarvata Siddhu Sarvavidya Visharadam Sarva Samsaya Sanchetta Analasa Guru Rahuta is the qualification of Guru. Kripa Sindhu. When you pay obeisance to any Vaishnava, what mantra you are chanting? Vansha kalpatarubhyasya. Then forget. Louder, louder.
Kripa Sindhu.
Meaning Kripa Sindhu means ocean of mercy. First I said, Kripa Sindhu Susamparana means who has real ocean of mercy. That's Kripa Susamparana. Not to get numbers. Guru actually who is really farmer. First he should prepare the land, right? Then he put the seeds, right? Good farmer always dig the land, take the weeds out, then make soil prepare properly, then put the seeds, then crops growing properly, right? Susamparana means like this. First, you will taste. Really you want Krishna, really want to follow spiritual practice, or as a fashion you are accepting. Everybody has guru, I have also guru. Everybody has spiritual name, I have also spiritual name. Really means, really sincerely, you want to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Really have tendency to respect all the Vaishnavas. If we are become sectarian, only my guru who is initiating, he is my only guru, rest are bogus. If you really have the feeling, then from what problem? Unknowingly you will commit offense to Vaishnava. If we have any offense to Vaishnava, is it possible to progress our spiritual life? Is it possible to progress our spiritual life? To think about it. Possible. Lord Chaitanya will not accept any service from that person who has offensive tendency towards other Vaishnavas. Yeah. Chapal Gopal committed offense to Shivash Pandit due to the offensive tendency, offensive activities what Chapal Gopal committed. He got leprosy. Leprosy is worm, insect, biting his nerve. And it is severe pain, he is feeling severe pain. It's very difficult to tolerate. So therefore the Chapal Gopal came to Lord Chaitanya and trying to get his blessings with the glorification of Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya was extremely angry towards Chapal Gopal. And instead of after listening glories, if someone say, Madan Gopal, you are the great devotees, Madan Gopal immediately accepted, right? If I say. Although I committed offense to other Vaishnava like Nanda Gopal, commit offense. Madan Gopal knew, but because of our material nature, whoever glorifying us will accept, right? But Lord Chaitanya completely angry, and after hearing his glory, still he is telling him, Ghuj ghuj beta vidduman hoti. Get out from my face. Tore dekhile loker paap janmete. If anyone, you are such a sinful, if someone see your face, that person will accumulate sin. Just such sinful you are. Can you imagine? So Lord Chaitanya act like this towards Chapal Gopal. Then he gives solution. What solution? He says, Paye kata futile ki skandhe bair hoy. Paye means feet, kata means thorn. If thorn inject to your feet, or if you try to take the thorn out from your shoulder, is it possible to get the thorn out? Then he explained, you have Vaishnava offense towards Shiva's Pandit. Therefore you are suffering. And you are coming to me get rid from this offense. No. You have to go. And from the bottom of your heart, you have to ask forgiveness. If Srivas Pandit excuse you, then you can be free from offense. Then you can be free from your disease. Not before that. Jagadananda Pandit Prem Vivarta, he says, Koti janmo korileo na paye Krishner charan. If you have offensive tendency towards others, 10 million times 1 koti crore means 10 million. 10 million times if you get human form and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, still you are not able to reach Krishna's lotus feet. So, Susamparna, Vipashandu Susamparna, Guru will say, be careful. Don't commit offense towards other Vaishnavas. Vaishnavas, they are like a cell of Krishna's body. Cell means C-E-double-L, cell. So many cells in body structure. If we just pinch one cell in one hand with a needle, and one hand you are worshipping Krishna, if anyone worshipping you, doing arati to Madan Gopal, will you accept arati from me if I do so? Same thing, just think about it. So Guru should make sure. Kripa Sindhu Susamparna means he really understand the devotional principle. Not like right away, I want numbers, right away, I give initiation. It will not work. Real mercy means, real farmer means to dig the land, weeds out, then put seeds. Right? Similarly, real Guru means he should make sure that person is really want to dig the land, take the weeds out, means be free from material appreciation, recognition, name, fame, desire, and be humble. Really, this person is ready to do or not. When we make sure, yes, he is doing, he can do that, then initiate. Am I clear? Pipa Sindhu Susamparna Sarvasakta Prakaraka Nispriho, completely free from all material attachment. What I explained? That no material appreciation, recognition, name, fame, distinction, desire. This is called Nispriho. Sarvata Siddho. Sarvata Siddho means whatever devotional link exists, he do it properly. Some Harikatha going on, if I say, oh, I know Harikatha, why I listen from you? Right? If such tendencies anybody have, then he cannot be Guru. Especially 9 limb of devotion. Savana Kirtana Smarana Bandana Pada Sevana Dashore Pujanna Sakhi Jana Atmanivedana. This 9 limb of devotion. Sravana Parishit Maharaj become delivered through just hearing the Srimad Bhagavatam Katha. Who is giving Srimad Bhagavatam Katha? Shukdev Goswami. Who is Shukdev Goswami? Janma Siddha Mahapurush. When he born, Shukdev Goswami, when he born, just to look his history, how to born. He doesn't want to coming out from the mother womb. Why? After 13 years, Father Mahamuni Vedavyas asking him, "Oh my son, please coming out from the mother womb. Otherwise, he will be the cause of your mother's death." Then son replied from the mother womb, "Oh my father, I am really fearful." Why? Of Maya. Where? In illusory world. I feel fear. I don't want to be trapped of Maya in the material world. Please tell Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, take his Maya out of this material world. Yes. Then Vasudev, according to this request of his son Shukdev, son is not born yet, but coming out from the mother womb, still in the mother womb. So, then he, Mahamuni Vedavyas, went to Lord and explained the request of his son. Then what happened? What happened? Lord said, Mahamuni Vedavyas, you know this material world I made with illusion, Maya. If I take Maya out, what will be the existence of this world? Nothing. It is not possible for me to take Maya out of the universe. But as you are requesting me, I can do so. But for the certain time being, what? One mustard seed, mustard seeds round, right? And cow horn also, top of the cow horn also round. If someone drop one mustard seed from the top, from far, from the top of this cow horn, how much duration the mustard seed will stuck on the cow horn? That much period of time I can remove my illusion out of this material universe. We know to touch the fire, it can burn your hand, right? But if you just move your fire flame, like one candle is there, to move your finger, it will not burn, but you are moving, you are touching fire, right? Similarly, according to the request of Shukdev Goswami and Mahamuni Vedavyas, Lord agreed to take his Maya out only for the fraction of a second. Because the mustard seed can stuck on the top of the horn only for the fraction of a second, not only 1 second. The Lord did so. At that time, Shukdev Goswami coming out from the mother womb and running towards forest. Such Janma Siddha Mahapurush, he is giving discourses. And that discourses, hearing Parikshit Maharaj attentively. Sashtra Savanam Kirtanam Smaranam Prahlad Maharaj. All the time Smaranam, remembering Lord glory, Lord Karishma. He believed, Prahlad Maharaj believed Lord is protector. Therefore his father trying to kill him many ways, all endeavor, failure. This is the symptom. Symptom is this. Instead of getting so many periods, the life means duration of life. Maybe one kalpa, like this Markandeya Rishi. Markandeya Rishi got benediction from Lord that 7 kalpa duration of life, 7 kalpa. 7 kalpa means, you know, 1 kalpa means Brahma's 1 day. Brahma's 1 day means Vasudha. I explained that. 994 Chatur Juga, Dibba Juga. The 7 kalpa means time 7. So when the devastation taking place, then Markandeya Rishi lamenting, why I am getting, I beg this such type of duration of life. It is suffering to serve, to be here in the material world. Right? So in this regard, one of our teacher, previous teacher, means actually Vyasdeva wrote in Purana. What he wrote? That meaning is this, that even 5 days if you just alive here in this material world and perform chanting, perform service to Lord, what is benefit is there? How much benefit is there? You cannot get such same benefit to get this thousands kalpa, thousands kalpa life, means 1000 kalpa duration of a life. You get duration of life 1000 kalpa. You understand what I say? Na tu kalpa sahasrani bhakti hinasya shabe. Jivitang Vishnu Bhaktasya Varam Pancha Dinani Cha. This is the text. Jivitang means alive. Vishnu Bhakta means devotion to Vishnu, to Krishna. Varam means rather. Pancha means 5. Dinani means 5 days. 5 days to be here, to alive in this material world with devotion to Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu. That is beneficial for us. But to get the thousands kalpa duration of life without devotion to Vishnu, Krishna, it's like useless life. Jivitang Vishnu Bhaktasya Varam Pancha Dinani Cha Natu Kalpa Sahasrani Bhakti Hinasya Keshabe. Bhakti Hin means no devotion towards Kesha, means Krishna, Vishnu. If you have Kalpa Sahasrani, Ayu means duration of life, 1 kalpo, 1000 kalpo, 7 kalpo, Markandeya Rishi become fed up. To get rid from this type of benediction of Lord, what he asked from Lord. Just give me 7 kalpo, I will 7 kalpo, duration of life. Lord said, Tathastu. But devastation time, he is alive. He is floating on the water, floating on the water and drive and going here and there. Then he saw this There is beautiful place. Birds are there. All the flowers are there. Everybody become peaceful. What is the place? Gaurdham. Then Surabhi Gavi, Surabhi also chanting Gaurnam, Gaurang, Gaurang. Then he gets solution. Markanda Rishi express his suffering to Surabhi cow. Surabhi means heavenly cow. Indra's favorable cow. And he explained. So Markanda Rishi explained his suffering. Then Surabhi gave him instruction. Better for you to stay here and chant Gauranga's name. Everything will dilute it and you will get rid from all your suffering. Such type of. So Jivitang Vishnu Bhaktasya Varana Pancha Dinani Cha. So Prahlad Maharaj believed. He believed that Lord is ultimate protector. His father gave lots of order to kill him. Father gave order to his soldier. Put him top of the mountain, to middle of the ocean. Who protect Prahlad? Varahadev appeared in the middle of the ocean. Protect Prahlad. Hiranyakashipu make conspiracy to kill Prahlad through poison. Who protect Prahlad from the poison? Supreme Lord ordered to Lord Shiva. What? From the ocean charming time, you drank all the poison and your throat become blue. Blue in Bengali or Sanskrit called Nil, and throat is called Kanto. Therefore, Shiva's name, another name is Nilkanto. Sometimes we are thinking, okay, whatever Lord is doing, we can also do the same, right? Sometimes we have tendency, right? Sometimes people say, I have to honor Shiva's prasadam. What prasad? Marijuana, right? I saw Shiva's follower, they are smoking marijuana. Then so many other things, I don't know what the name, but they are smoking because they are giving logic. Shiva is doing. Shiva took poison. Is it possible for him to take poison? Possible. The poison will take your life. Shiva can do that. Anyway, the Shiva get order from Lord. Go, protect Prahlad from the poison. So, Varan Pancha Dina, 5 days, only 5 days. If you have duration of life and chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra in this current age, your life becomes successful. Instead of getting so many years, your duration of life, it is useless. Right? Therefore, you should think about it. What are we supposed to do? In this material world, we are here. In this material world with this human form, this form we can perform spiritual practice. You cannot practice spirituality in the form of a cow, elephant, tiger, lion. They may have physical power, but they don't have any eligibility to practice spirituality because their behavior, food habit, culture, language, everything fixed by Lord. They cannot change. Dog can bark only, cow can mowing only. They cannot say Hare Krishna. They are able to say Hare Krishna? They are not able to say Hare Krishna. They cannot cook for Lord. Elephant, if we just give him money, go to marketplace, buy some vegetables and then cook. Is it possible for an elephant to do that? Any animal? No, only human. Only human can do that. Therefore, human is such life where they can practice spirituality. In this current age, spirituality means fixing your mind towards Lord. Listen carefully. Spirituality means not like a putting tilak and chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Barely manage to finish your round, but mind goes all over the world. Not like that. Spirituality means fixing our mind towards Lord and His services. Am I clear? So cook for Lord, fix. Marry for Krishna, Lord's services is good. Conceiving child for Lord's services is also good. Get renounce order for Lord's services is good. Study for Lord's services is also good. Fixing your mind by any way. That is for spirituality. As soon as the mind has been fixed towards Lord, then you can be delivered from this miserable mundane world. So, for Smaranam, Prahlad Maharaj, remember all the time, therefore all the endeavor of his father to kill Prahlad, failure. Lord is protector. That we have to believe. And in this current age, Kali Yuga, Kali means what? Kali means quarrel. Kali means quarrel. You can see quarrel in home, husband, wife, quarrel. I think 99% husband, wife, they are in quarrel. Right? I may be wrong. I have no experience for that. But I have seen. Artificially they may say, we are okay, but in mind they are quarreling. But actuality is this. Wife should respect husband like a guru. Yes. I have seen my mother never used my father's name. The Guru's name is not possible to pronounce. Guru's name. Therefore, my grandmother I shall never use my grandfather's name. My mother never used, means never actually pronounce the father's name. Grandmother same thing. Because they respect husband like as good as Guru. Because that culture gone, therefore quarrel taking place. Right? But there is a nice couple here. Nice couple. There's no quarrel at all. Right? Vasudha, right? No quarrel at all. The one. So therefore, I'm saying 99.1% still. No quarrel. So home, quarrel in a home. Quarrel in office, employer and employee. You can see quarrel. Employer trying to squeeze employees. Employee also trying to squeeze employer. Less work, more money, more wages, more salary. Or employer trying, pushing employee, more work, less money, quarrel. Quarrel in university, professor and students, they are quarreling amongst each other. Yes. They are quarreling each other. Sorry to say, quarrel in temple. Disciples and Guru. Am I right? Vasudha. So this is the age of quarrel. All over quarrel. What to do? We should surrender to Lord. Believe Lord, what He does, everything is beneficial for us. That's all. Simple theory. Kali Yuga. Anyhow, chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Jivitang Vishnu Bhaktasya Varam Pancha Dinani Cha. If you are alive 5 days, just chant the 5 days. Practice spirituality. Fix your mind towards the Lord. Through chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, this is called spirituality in this current age, Kali Yuga. Age of quarrel, age of hypocrisy, age of corruption. Na tu kalpa sahasrani bhakti hinasya keshabe. No need to get these blessings to give. Life duration, long life duration. Without devotion to Kesha, Krishna, there is no value. No value to be alive here in this material world without devotion to Lord. Because Lord gave us the privilege. With the human form, as soon as again, we have privilege to practice spirituality and back home, our eternal, loving, peaceful, blissful home. What? Godhead. Back home, back to Godhead. This is the message of Gaudiya Math. We cannot ignore it. So Kripa Sindhu Susamparna Sarva Satta Prakaraka Nishpriyo Sarvoto Siddho Sarvo Vidya Visharada. Guru means he has all type of knowledge. Essence of knowledge is chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra is essence of all knowledge. If you are studying entire Srimad Bhagavatam, you can recite Srimad Bhagavatam. But if you are not chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra in this current age, Kali Yuga. This is prescribed by Supreme Lord. Hare Nama eva kevalam. Harinam kevalam means only when Kalau means in this current age, Kali Yuga. There is no other way. Nasteva gatirannatha. This is prescribed by Supreme Lord. Also spread the message by Supreme Lord Chaitanya. Lord never misguide us. Rather, we want to be misguided. Or we are in this problem. आप लोग कहाँ से आए? हाँ, दिल्ली से यही रहता है।
राजस्थान के वैसे राजस्थान।
अच्छा, समझता था बाबा, हम जो बोल रहा है समझता। कलियुग का ऐसा कलियुग में सब लोग फंस चुका। हर एक प्रकार धर्म आ गया ही में, धर्म गुरु भी आ गया। हर एक प्रकार हर एक चीज बोल रहा, तुम ऐसा करो तो ऐसा फल मिलेगा, फल मिलेगा, फल मिलेगा। अरे फल लेके क्या करोगे? क्या ये दुनिया में तो रह नहीं सकता, रह सकता? दुनिया में बहुत बड़ा बड़ा चीज बना लो, महल बना लो, छोड़ने का टाइम वही महल लेकर तुम जा नहीं सकता, महल यहीं भी रहेगा, है ना? सब कुछ छोड़ने पड़ेगा। आसक्ति क्यों? जब सब कुछ छोड़ने पड़ेगा, भगवान जिसलिए हम सबको इस जन्म दिया, किसका क्या जन्म देने का, ये जन्म किस लिए दिया भगवान ये जन्म देने से बाद हम सबको मौका दे दिया, चलो इतना जन्म तुम जो मिला, जानवर का जन्म जब मिला, तुम भगवान का नाम ले ही नहीं सकता, हमारा नाम नहीं ले सकता, हमारे लिए पका नहीं सकता, हमारे लिए बाजार जा नहीं सकता, हमारे लिए किताब पढ़ नहीं सकता, हमारा नाम भी कर नहीं सकता, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि हम सब कुछ दे दिया, सब कुछ फिक्स करके भेजा। जो तुमको करने होगा भगवान सब करके भेजा। गाय को जितना बात सिखा दो, पूजा भी करो, सब कुछ करो, जितना बोलो जो बोलो हरिनाम, बोल सकता गाय? गाय बोल सकता? वो मोइंग कर सकता, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता। सिंह से ताकत है, कुछ नहीं कर सकता, तुमको खा लेगा, मार के खा लेगा, कुछ भी नहीं है, हरिनाम कर नहीं सकता। ताकत ज्यादा है, हमारा शरीर का ताकत ज्यादा नहीं, बुद्धि का ताकत है। मौका बहुत दे दिया, भगवान के लिए पकाओ, भगवान के लिए पढ़ाई करो, जो कुछ करो भगवान का सेवा के लिए करो, और पढ़ाई करो नहीं करो, पकाओ हमारे लिए, हमारा नाम लो, सब कुछ कर सकता है। इसलिए सोचने का बात है, आज का दिन हंसने का दिन नहीं, सोचने का दिन। हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हमारा आसक्ति गया कि दुनिया का आसक्ति गया ना, आसक्ति पकड़ लिया हम लोग। दुनिया में आसक्ति जब तक नहीं जाएगा, तब तक इस दुनिया से, ये दुनिया दुख का दुनिया, पीड़ा का दुनिया, तो जहां पे रहो, हिंदुस्तान में रहो, यूरोप में रहो, अमेरिका में रहो, है तो ये एक ही चीज, क्या चीज? इस दुनिया दुख पीड़ा का दुनिया, मिजरेबल मंडेन वर्ल्ड, हमेशा के लिए दुख। रेत का दलदल में हम लोग हैं, जितना हिलोगे उतना गिरोगे। निकालने का मार्ग एक ही है, भगवान बता दिया। इस दुनिया में जो कर्तव्य है करो, आसक्ति छोड़ के कर्तव्य करो, और धीरे धीरे भगवान का पास वापस चला जाओ। यही है कर्तव्य। क्या कर्तव्य? दुनिया में जो कर्तव्य है, मम्मी के साथ, पापा के साथ, पत्नी के साथ, पति के साथ, रिश्तेदार के साथ जो कर्तव्य करो, आसक्ति छोड़ के करो। और क्या करो? भगवान का नाम लो। इस कली युग में भगवान का नाम लो, बस उद्धार हो जाएगा। हम लोग सब दलदल में, रेत का दलदल में हम लोग, वी आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द क्विक सैंड। How much we move here, that much we sink under the sand. Quicksand. In order to get out from this quicksand, what will do? Lord said, chant my name. Chant my name. What name? Lord prescribe Hare Krishna Mahamantra. But so many, Kali Yuga, material world, influence of illusion, many group in the name of spiritual practice. In the name of spiritual practice, many groups arises, giving, do this, you can have this. Do that, you can have this. Without Lord prescription, if you do anything, you cannot say it is dharma. It is ideology. We can say it is ideology. Ideology make your social principle good, but not best. Best to be delivered with keeping due respect to everyone and be delivered from this miserable mundane world. Am I clear? Very simple theory. अति सरल है। दुनिया से उद्धार होने का मार्ग बहुत सरल कर दिया भगवान। भगवान क्या बोला? एक कली युग में हमारा नाम लो और वापस आ जाओ हमारे पास। क्या नाम? हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र नाम। और नहीं करोगे तो क्या? रेत का दलदल में तो फंस जाओगे। फंसो, गिरो, फिर से जन्म लो, फिर से जन्म ले करके फिर से भुगतना पड़ेगा। ये दुनिया का जो दुख पीड़ा है भोगो। ये जो है, देखो रेगिस्तान में जाकर के मृत तृष्णा देख के तुम सोचो कि पानी मिलेगा कि पवित्र पानी। इस दुनिया में सोचो कि हमारा सुख मिलेगा, पवित्र मिला। सीने ठोक के बोलिए ना, अभी सुख मिला। आज एक सुख मिला तो काल दुख आ गया। जो सुख का आखिर में जाकर के दुखी होगा वो तो हम सुख नहीं बोल सकता। इसलिए सोचने का बात है, इसलिए बोला सोचने का बात है, हंसने का बात नहीं। So you know, running behind towards mirage in the desert field and think about I can get water. Is it possible? Is it possible to get water in the desert field, running behind mirage? Not possible. So similarly, to make ourselves happy in this material world, it is not possible without taking shelter of the embodiment of happy. Which embodiment of happy? Embodiment of happy is Lord. Who is Supreme Lord? Who is Supreme Lord? Krishna. What is the meaning of Krishna? All attractive, all attract. He attracts all everyone. What is main purpose to attract all of us? To make ourselves eternally blissful. Therefore, this is the meaning of Krishna. Krishna attract and make blissful. What do you want? हमारा सोच क्या है? हमारा सोच तो है हमेशा के लिए आनंद चाहिए, चाहिए कि बोलिए ना। और कोई सोच है कि हमेशा के लिए आनंद छोड़ के और कुछ सोच नहीं हो सकता। आनंद का पीछे भागते भागते हम लोग आज इस उम्र पर आ गया। अभी तक तो आनंद का स्वाद चखने का मौका नहीं मिला, करते करते थक गया। लेकिन भगवान का नाम लेने से क्या होता? भगवान का नाम लेने से भगवान का आनंद का मूर्ति होती। भगवान सबको आनंद में कूद जाए। तो कूदना चाहिए भगवान का चरण में, तब आनंद मिलेगा। कैसे कूदोगे? हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र नाम लेकर के कूदो तो मिलेगा। In order to get the taste of the eternal bliss, we have to surrender to the lotus feet of Lord and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This will make us eternally blissful in this material world. If anyone chant without offense, they will get the taste of eternal bliss in this life. Here is amongst us one exemplary character sitting in front of us. Madan Gopal Prabhu. So I think I told by authority to speak only 7, until 7, but now 18+7, I don't like to continue it. So essence is that just to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and follow your duties and responsibilities. Whatever duty and responsibility we have in the material world, do it. With proper balance between your material duties and spiritual practice, adjustment. How you adjust? Watching television program, TV. If there is television, most houses I saw, they are very busy because they want to sit in front of television, watch some kind of drama, movie. They make the time to watch it, which is not, where is no reality there. You can see the movie one person jumping from the 20th floor to ground floor, nothing happens. Is it possible? In the reality, do that. You die. So what is not real, why you are spending time with such fake things? Waste your time. How just you are adjusting your all material duties and watching television. Just television or any kind of mundane program take off and putting their spiritual practice, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Do everything quick, and then sit for chanting. Then you can see, you can reach the destination of your ultimate goal of life. Hare Krishna. Now we have this Arati program. And then you can Prasadam program. Hare Krishna.
Sundar Swami Buddha Goswami Maharaj ki
Jai.